finished taking the wig apart and I have all my tracks right here. Now I got this hair from my beauty supply store. This wig is a year old, and the reason why I took it apart was because this wig cap was very stretched out. I mean, it was big from the jump when I first made my wig the first time, but now it's just like really stretched out, and it don't fit my head really like comfortably and tight the way I like it. So that's why I decided to just deconstruct it, and we are going to reconstruct it now. So the wig cap that I'm using is this spandex dome cap, and this is from the brand Magic Collection. So this is what the wig cap looks like. Now when I do my wigs, I like to measure out, like, you know, where I want everything to lay. So this is the middle of my, like, this will be a middle part for my hairstyle. So this is gonna help me lay my lace closure on my wig really nicely. So then I also have where like my brow bone stops on my wig cap. So I know to bring a track all the way up to here. This white line is the top of my ear. And then I also put a mark in the back of the wig cap. This is where I'm gonna lay, where did it just go? Oh, this is where I'm gonna lay my wig clip, but underneath it, not on top of it, because you know, that don't make no sense. But yeah, so this wig canvas blockhead that I'm using is 22 inches because that is the circumference of my head. And this wig cap that I had was like OD big. I think it was like for a 23-inch head. But yeah, so I have my dome cap on here already. I have all my markings that I need to be placed. I have some T-pins. I'm using black thread to do my wig. Where did I? And then I have my needles right here. So I'm gonna thread my needles before I actually start. The first thing I do is I sew down my lace closure. Now this is a 5x5 lace closure. I really like this closure a lot. It's really nice. Like, honestly, it's really nice. I can't remember, I think I did bleach the knots on this, but I think I could have bleached it a lot better than what it is. I'm gonna get some more bleach and eventually do it, because I think I want to like make this wig have highlights in it. I don't know just yet because I don't have the product, so as of right now it's just gonna stay black. But you guys have seen me wear this unit so much. I wear it in like all of my pictures and all of my videos. So that's why I was like, you know what, let me just reconstruct it so I can fit a lot better. And also because it is a 5x5 lace closure, I am gonna trim the front of it just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little jagged right there. It's a little crazy, little cricket. So I'm gonna actually trim that off. So I'm gonna trim this off. Well, y'all can't even really see it, but I'm gonna trim that off and then tweeze it to make it look a lot more natural again, because once I trim that off, then it's going to be like thick right here, so I don't want that. But I think I'm gonna tweeze it. I mean, I think I'm gonna cut it when it's on the wig cap. No, I actually gotta cut it off now. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to just cut this off now because I can see where I want to cut it. So I'm just gonna cut like an inch off. Well, no, not an inch, maybe like a quarter of an inch off this lace closure. So I'm just trying to get the hair down. So I can cut it. I cut already, so I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm cutting kind of jagged the best I can with one hand. So it kind of looks a little bit more even now. I'm gonna cut some more off. Go this way. So I'm gonna cut. Okay, this is a lot harder than I thought. And I'm kind of cutting jagged so that when it goes on my head, it looks really, really nice and natural. That's okay. And then I'm about to angle my camera to where you guys will be able to see me sew this on. And then we are going to get to remaking this wig. Okay.
Perfect.
finished constructing the wig, and I cut off the cap, and then I actually did freaking cut my lace closure, but it was like towards the back, so that's a good thing. You won't really see it because it's like towards the back. What I'll probably do is get some brown thread and probably just sew it together so it don't rip even more. But I can already tell that this wig it feels a lot tighter, and I'm happy. It is pretty late though. I think I just said that. But I'm put the wig on now just so I can see if it does fit tighter, and then I also want you guys to see that, you know, ain't nothing really gonna change too much about it, but it's just gonna feel a lot better. So I already have my wig cap on. Just fix it up. Now I know I'm probably gonna have to retweeze the front so that my like the front of the hairline could look a lot better. I look like a freaking peanut. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I know I'm gonna have to retweeze it, and all I'm doing right now is just putting on my wig grip, and it just allows my wigs to not move when they're on my head. Oh my gosh, this already feels so much better. Yes. I wish I would have took some video footage before, like when I was to put this wig on. Y'all, if y'all would have saw it, like the sides was so freaking floppy and big. Wow, this feels like a brand new wig. I'm a baddie again. Yeah, I definitely gotta do some tweezing. Wow, this feels so much better already. This is crazy. And don't mind it, it's like foundation on here. I gotta wash it and all that good stuff, but just know that this feels so much better. I look like, what are some things called? Something from the Addams Family. But yeah, if this was like a lot flatter, I probably wouldn't look as crazy, but just know this wig fits me a lot better, and I am a happy camper. Yes, I'm loving this. And I didn't even put a comb on it either. And I actually did take out some of the tracks. Well, not a lot. I took out like, did I move it already? Yeah, I think I moved it already, but I just took out a little bit of the tracks, and just overall this wig just feels a lot better. It's not as full as it was, so it looks and lays a lot better. I am here for it. I'm not gonna get too close, but yeah, y'all, it ain't looking too good right now, cause yeah, this thing gotta be tweezed and plucked and all that good stuff, but it does feel a lot better, y'all. So y'all, that is your girl revamping her wig to look like new and just feel 10 times better. Y'all probably won't see me in this for maybe like a week or two, because I do have some other looks planned with my other wigs. Like, y'all, I'm be cute, just know that. But yeah, this is me revamping my wig. I am about to go to sleep because it is really late. It's like 3 in the morning. I did start this wig pretty late in the day, so, but I just been up watching TV and stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys give your girl a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not part of the crew and you want to join the crew, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.